Welcome to Supreme Hardwood Floors, where tradition and craftsmanship come together to create extraordinary parquet wood floors. In this video, we will take you behind the scenes to discover the meticulous process of manufacturing our exceptional large parquet tiles. From raw materials to finished product, get ready to witness the artistry and dedication that goes into every piece. Step 1. Sourcing the finest wood. To create Supreme Hardwood Floors, we start by carefully selecting the finest quality wood. Each piece is hand-picked based on its natural beauty, strength, and suitability for parquet flooring. Step 2. Precision cutting and shaping. Once the wood has been selected, it's time to bring it to our cutting and shaping machines. These state-of-the-art tools ensure accuracy and precision as the wood is transformed into small, individual pieces that will form the intricate patterns of our parquet tiles. Step 3. Intricate assembly. Our skilled craftsmen meticulously arrange the small wood pieces, adhering to the precise design specifications. Each tile is created with utmost care and attention to detail, ensuring that the patterns flow seamlessly and create a harmonious overall look. Step 4. Sanding and finishing. Once the parquet tiles are assembled, they go through a rigorous sanding and finishing process. This enhances the smoothness and uniformity of the surface, creating a flawless, refined finish that is both visually stunning and pleasant to walk on. Step 5. Staining and sealing. To bring out the natural beauty of the wood and protect it from daily wear and tear, our skilled artisans apply carefully selected stains and sealants. This not only adds depth and character to the flooring but also ensures its longevity and durability. Step 6. Installation. Finally, it's time for the installation. Our team of experienced installers meticulously lays each parquet tile, ensuring a precise fit and seamless integration with the surrounding space. The result is a breathtaking floor that adds warmth, elegance, and value to any interior. Congratulations! You've just witnessed the art of parquet wood flooring. Whether you're renovating your home or designing a commercial space, parquet flooring from Supreme Hardwood Floors is the perfect choice for those who appreciate timeless beauty and unmatched quality.